Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best bit holders available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have BOSCH bit holder. With an extended torsion zone, precision engineering and heat-treated manufacturing process, these bits deliver tough torque and power for longer and with less came out. These impact tough bits are an impact-rated line of screw driving bits, double-ended bits, nut setters, sockets and bit holders that have been enhanced to handle a new generation of higher torque impact drivers. These bits also come with high visibility sleeves for greater user convenience. The silver sleeve on the bit is designed for better visibility, in the toolbox or on the ground. Laser markings on the bit clearly identify bit type and are easier to read than stamped scripts. At number 6 we have Makita bit holder. The Impact Gold Ultramagnetic Insert bit holder features Xtreme torsion technology, which allows the torsion section of the bit holder to flex under load and take pressure off of the bit tip for increased durability in high torque applications. The two-piece design is engineered to allow the torsion technology to fully activate. The rare earth neodymium magnet is 2 times stronger than magnets in standard insert bit holders, so users get the added convenience of one-handed fastening. At number 5 we have SATA bit holder. SATA screwdrivers have all the professional features you'd expect, alongside cutting-edge innovations. With industry-leading innovations like VDE-certified insulated screwdrivers rated up to 1000 for safety, screwdrivers with interchangeable bits and a built-in ratchet function for improved speed while fastening. At number 4 we have bit holder. WIHA 28103 magnetic 1/4 inch bit holder with WIHA soft finish stubby handle for working in confined spaces. It comes stainless steel with strong magnet. At number 3 we have Norski bit holder. The heavy-duty ring magnet holds the screw securely in place for easy and accurate fastening. It has a retractable guide sleeve that eliminates swabbling and slipping while driving screws. It works with all 1-inch insert bits. At number 2 we have BOSCH bit holder. The BOSCH Impact Tough Driver bit features an extended torsion zone and has been upgraded to deliver 10x life over a BOSCH standard bit. This impact-rated bit absorbs torque peaks to reduce stress on the fastener. The tip of the bit is precision designed and machined for a better integrated fit and reduced cam out. These Impact Tough bits are an impact-rated line of screwdriving bits, double-ended bits, nut setters, sockets and bit holders that have been enhanced to handle a new generation of higher torque impact drivers. At number 1 we have BOSCH bit holder. The BOSCH line of metal drill bits offers a solution for every professional application. BOSCH black oxide bits offer superior durability, speed and selection to support most general-purpose applications. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best bit holders for your need.